Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to add more rows on your table in your Microsoft Excel on the mobile version. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a row in the table in your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So for that, I just going to insert first a 2 into 2, okay, 2 into 2 table. So I just insert the table here first, okay. So you can see I just inserted only 2 rows in this here. So now I just need to extend this. So how to extend? There will be 2 ways to you can just extend. Just click on this cell, okay. So if you just need to insert a row under the first row, you just need to click on the first row any cell, and you click on this. You will see this option called table. Click this, and you just see an option called insert above or insert below. This is called insert row above or insert the row below. Click on any section, so you can see it automatically create the rows. You can see it's created to the totally. I just created to 8 rows. So first we inserted only 2 rows. Now it's created as 8 rows. Another way you can see this extend option. So here you can just extend it automatically. You can see the count on the bottom. So now we can extend it to the 11. So now you have totally 10 rows. This is how you just add more rows or insert more rows in the table in your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.